What are you afraid of?
It's easy to imagine, but it's easier to just do. If you can't do what you imagine, then what is imagination to you? To me, it's like a dream. I imagine a world where I'm free, with endless possibilities. Surrounded by cold glaciers, surrounded by fire and volcanoes. I don't use my imagination to escape reality. I use it to create a new one, to create a reality where I can fly. Fly like a bird next to waterfalls and run over the most beautiful mountains. I mean, all of this is real, even though sometimes it all feels like a dream. I have to remind myself that every dream begins with a dreamer. I won't give up on mine, so don't give up on yours. Because every time you close your eyes, you can ask yourself this simple question: what is imagination to you?